we got something in the pack. I mean, in the mail. We got something in the package, of course. And then this, right? So I've been waiting for this package for the longest time, and it got put on hold for some damn reason, right? It's for my for the Beamer. It's my cowl cover, my windshield cowl cover, whatever. Because it's like falling apart. Dude, I went through so many emails. Yeah, they misdelivered it somewhere. And then I'm missing another package too that I got for my girl, but that's besides the fact. We got something from EVOTECH Performance. Yes, these are, I'm not gonna open it yet. Well, I mean, they're like sealed, but they are your spindle kits for the front and rear. So I already have the front, but since they are scuffed up a bit from my little shenanigans, not even shenanigans, just retardism. Okay, I can't say that word. Restartedism. Okay. But I fell and it's like all scuffed up from that, so it's been due time that I replace these. So we're like doing a lot of like just new construction here, or not even construction, but just new landscaping, and I'm not sure what we're trying to accomplish, but we got no more grass anymore, guys. It's just all milling, just the whole don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it. The whole fucking thing is milling, bro. There's no more grass in this area. Like, except for, actually the only grass is this little patch, and then the grass in the front obviously, but got our little planting area that we're gonna have racks to kind of have like bitter melon. Such a Vietnamese house. We got like bitter melon and just other hanging vegetables. And I guess, you know, we can push out the deck even further, like push out the cooking, the grill and all that stuff like farther out. Have like a bigger seating area here, you know. Push this fire pit over here somewhere, have some chairs around it, you know what I'm saying? I guess that's like a plus. But yeah guys, there's no more grass. But let's go work on the bike. Yeah, just gonna have this as a spare. Like, it's not bad obviously, but just wanted to have a set for both. And the TST one, right, it involves you having to take off everything, and although it's not bad, it's just I'm fucking lazy. I'm a lazy ass dude. So things that we do here in this garage. Oh, I don't know if y'all like the new setup. Hold on, I didn't even talk about this yet. Look at this. All right, we got like, you know, new mat. Okay, we got a leg extension now. Looking clean. But got it all out. And see, with these, you just gotta, like, you know, screw them on. That's that. Obviously the front one is a shorter one. So let's just do one of those. Y'all see? So it's gonna look like, okay, not bad, not bad. this over. Alright. Washer. Nut. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's probably like a 10 or some shit. Obviously, alright, so back here, guys, the concaved one will be on your right hand side when you're facing the bike, because obviously the bolt back here for the rear wheel and the rear axle and stuff. Side. Side's a little dark. My garage don't got good lighting. I mean, we have light, but what does that really do? Does it do anything? Yeah, nothing. But we got that on, we're gonna tighten it, and that's really it. She looking mean. What else can I do to her? I really want something else other than look at my toes. Other than those frame sliders, regular frame sliders, but it's whatever. Maybe get the SW Motec crash bars down the line or something. We'll see.